The Interstellar Age by Jim Bell is a non-fiction piece based on the grand tour of the two Voyager spacecrafts launched by NASA. Zipping through space at a mind-boggling 11 kilometers per second, these two spacecrafts are going on a journey toward our solar system's outer planets and in Voyager 1's case, into interstellar space. It all began with an idea conceived by Carl Sagan. He proposed using a unique alignment of planets, which only happen every 175 years, to launch these two probes deep into space. After much planning, in 1977, the two probes were launched from Cape Canaveral in Florida and embarked on their journeys. Equipped with the latest technology at the time, these probes were programmed to take a series of readings encompassing anything from high-quality pictures to detecting the atmospheric composition of the outer planets. Along with all of its scientific instruments, the Voyager 1 is equipped with a golden record holding in it many of humanity's most valued creations, from Beethoven's symphonies to instructions to locate planet Earth. These spacecraft represent the farthest humanity has ever gone from home.